Check, 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 check. Yo, what's up, boys? Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, Asia. Oh, this is a new track, by the way, guys. Shay. Brand new track released yesterday. Are you gonna connect for Charlie? are you in Vancouver, Hendrik? I can't believe you, dude. Oh, that's unreal. Yeah, Nico. Yeah, this is a total fucking legend move, hey? Did I short? That was a short song. Fuck, dude. I'm still digging Mayday the best here. Oh, it's classic because we played this song for like 6 months straight every stream. You're in BC? Yeah. I'm not gonna help you out there, buddy. You ding dong. Just in time for Asia. Yeah, we're gonna stream the Asia session here. See if we can get a trade on. Hey, she was pretty cool for the time. Did I short EU yesterday? I did, man. Twice, 3 times. Shorted it 3 times. Trading Bitcoin USD, getting wins, even better. Yeah, man. Wonder what should I do if I lost a lot of money trading so depressed right. Oh man. Oh, it's a struggle, isn't it? I don't know. Be all on me. Drive me crazy. Oh, Jack, how's it going, man? Yeah. Do I have a connect? I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna tell you shit, alright? Literally, I guess so many comments in the videos, guys. Like, so many comments. People are like, "Yo, this guy fucking does this guy does a bump before every fucking video." I swear, so funny. No, I'm just hyper all the time. All right. You're mad at the same day, drive me crazy. Bacardi, all on me. Ooh, Asia opening. GJ shorts look clean. We'll check it out. Oh yeah, William Smith, dude. You just go over it, man. The worst thing you can do is like try to trade more. What you want to do is take a break, reevaluate, go back to data collection, right? Just go back to the roots, man. You gotta completely step away. Like if you lose a bunch of money, you're completely biased, right? You're completely biased. and you're not gonna be able to trade. It's just a guarantee, man. All right, so perfect timing. Fucking Mayday turned off there. Let me how do I just play all of his tracks here so we can get some background music here? Let's just put it on, and then I'll start. Give me 1 second here, boys. All right, put that on low. Boom, there he is. Oh God, oh man, so handsome. Oh my gosh. Okay, charts. Let's get rid of Facebook. Okay, cool. So I made a video this morning, just showing some scalp trades here. I don't know if you guys want me to go over it. Hendrik wants me to look at GJ, and we can look at GJ here. Where's the music? Oh, there it goes. It's a little bit quiet. Imagine not shorting GJ. You're trying to short the pound, man. I think you're gonna win all the time. Okay. There's the Asia Open buzzing on my watch. Perfect. So why are you trying to short this? Let's just take a peek. Higher time frame here. Why are you trying to short this, dude? Look at how strong that is. Yeah, I'm not seeing any major pivot points on the higher time frame for us to jump off of. Maybe right here. I mean, it makes sense. Let's zoom in here. We're getting a raid of this level here, a sweep of the tops, right? So it makes sense. Double top. I mean, yeah, actually, this is looking fine. It looks like a really good place to get a short. Continuing back down to these lows here. Let's just drop the time frame now. 1 hour. This is probably where we're looking at here. You see some liquidity. You see double bottoms right there. That's probably where you're looking for. I think you're right, dude. Hello, Hunter. Hey, Hayen. What's up, dude? Good to see you. By the way, guys, just a reminder, Tits and Pips tonight on the London Open, or an hour before the London Open. I know you guys are your guys' time zone's a little bit different right now. So what is it? 7 hours from now? 7 hours from now, we're doing the the first live stream with Tits and Pips here. So make sure you guys tune in. We're actually gonna trade live here. Yeah, this is totally where it's gonna end up, eh? Actually, there's a little bit of liquidity here. You're probably gonna see a reversal coming right out of here, right? The double bottoms there. You're probably gonna see this hunt, and then come back up and retest. Where do we want to retest? Oh, get this shit out of my way. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we just had SR flip here. Most likely there's some little bit of inefficiency right here, right? So if you guys can get a short up here, this is probably what's going to happen. If you guys can get a short on that level, just watch the lower time frame, right? For a reversal once it comes up to that level. That makes a lot of sense to me. Does it make sense to you? I don't know. Because you're not a professional trader. Turn that down a little bit. Is your course worth it? Can be consistently profitable with your course? Well, this is what I tell everybody, man. Like, I'm not trying to push sales and shit, right? No course is gonna make you profitable. Mine strictly has a couple strategies that work all right, and it breaks down the market logic, right? I'm not trying to like fucking push you to buy this shit, right? I don't need your money, but I've looked at a lot of courses and nearly all of them are terrible. Check 4 hour clean short on the 4 hour. Oh yeah, I didn't even check the 4 hour here. Yeah, so you wick those tops. I don't know what you mean by a clean short on this. See, look at this. Like, you broke the structure, right? You're closing beyond the structure. This is definitely gonna head down here. This is the first take profit, right? It's gonna come down here. You can take profit here, and you're gonna take profit here. Right? Well, look at the trades I took here today, because I was watching the market like a hawk here. I was just trading EU. These Asian streams going to be the new norm? Yeah, maybe. If I'm around, I'm often, because right now it's 4 o'clock for me, so I'm often like going out doing other shit. Like I do have friends, um, believe it or not, and I like to do things with those friends occasionally when they're off work, because not everybody can sit in their living room all day. They have to actually go to work, right? What should we look at here? We should look at our bias here first of all, because we're just gonna be watching the EU. And so anytime I'm doing an Asian stream here now, I know I just kind of started them. We're gonna see if we can get a couple trades live here, because this is more exciting for me to actually talk to you guys. Like, your course is like a year old. I mean, the video course I released on like Black Friday, I think. The book is super old. The logic still applies, dude. The logic still applies, but my strategies get better and better over time. Like, I'm not going to teach you my best stuff. It's just not allowed. I'm not going to teach anybody that. Because then it just gets fucking shared and stuff, right? So, and I don't want people to know everything. All right, so this is a useless line, by the way. So I just want to look at the bias here. I'm getting distracted. Oh, is it 6 a.m. London time for Tits and Pips? Yeah, Tits and Pips, guys. Yeah, make sure you're gonna watch that one. Because I really want to see it like do well. My goal in it would be like to get some famous people on there one day. That'd be super cool. But right now we'll just kind of do it with some like friends who run their own businesses, right? Their online businesses here. So I already kind of looked at this, so I already have my bias of down. But the reason we're seeing this is we have the trend continuing down on the daily here, right? We're breaking all these levels, continuing trend. There's no reason to reverse yet. Massive move on the daily here. So most likely it's going to continue. The only thing that's giving me any inkling of bullishness is this double top here. I would like to sweep that double top and then back down, right? And let's get rid of those. And the other thing we're noticing here is I don't know if you guys can see it because I have fucking lines on the chart. I like to draw little squiggles. All right, those little squiggles over there help me. Okay, I don't know. So this line actually touches up with this one equally, I believe, just about equally, right? So we actually swept the high of the previous day. So most likely this is going to continue down. Look at the 4 hour. I know you guys are thinking, okay, we're going to get a bump out of this. We'll probably get a small bump, actually. We'll probably get a small bump on this because it is slowing down. But I do think that today we're going to be more bearish. And we're looking to hunt these lows here. Double bottom right there. So we're going to continue down, right? This is going to be the most likely scenario. We'll get a little bit of a bounce here. And then back down. All right. Can you share your volume profile strategy? I don't use volume profile, nor have I ever used volume profile. So I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Thank you. Hey, how do you add the market dividers? Oh, it's an indicator. It's called kill zones, I believe. You can change them around. So when you first get into it, it's not going to be right. You got to change it to your time zone. Right. So we're looking for shorts here, I think. The only case where I would want to get a long would be if we had an obvious hunt of these lows. All right. I won't be taking a long here. Yeah, I really doubt we'll be taking a long here. But it's possible. I'm just seeing here. All these lows got eaten by this guy, right? And then it reversed. I mean, there's another opportunity for us to be grabbing this level, right? Yeah, that hunted that. Okay. Okay, so nothing going on right now, just the start of Asia Open. I would like to get a short, or if there's an obvious hunt of this or this, then we can get a long. But I'm more biased to the short side here. A lot of pressure on the short side. We've already filled this. That's perfectly fine. I don't expect us to come all the way back up here this session. So, do you take a GJ trade also, Hunter? No, no, I'm only trading EU right now. But I can tell you guys what's gonna happen. Like I know what's gonna happen in GJ, right? I mean this is pretty obvious. But I'm not gonna trade it. Because I'm not no scrub. Yeah. Oh man. Good thing that word got blocked, eh, buddy? You can't say that word, man. You know YouTube's gonna hide that. Nobody sees what I'm talking about, but I can see all of the offensive words you use. Fun fact, jackpot strategy makes you a billionaire. Oh god. Pound is so overvalued right now. Yeah, the pound was on massive drawdown from what I remember, wasn't it? Over the past couple years, just let's look at the monthly here out of curiosity. Build that boy up. Why do you think this is overvalued? Why do I have a magnet here also? There's no such thing as overvalued, dude. It can't be overvalue. Just the stronger the bullish sign, the stronger it is as a pair, right? Can't be overvalued. There's all this untested here. I actually suspect this come back way back up here long term. Long term, it should come back up here. The only reversal part would be if there's a massive sweep on this level, right? Provide any value for you guys, just hit the like button. I know we don't get too many people on the Asia streams here, so we gotta up it with the like hit, the like counts, eh? You know FX Daniel Savage? Can you review his course? I do know him. Yeah, I can review his course. I think I have it. I can review his course at some point. That's kind of what I do, eh? I just review shit. Yeah, I don't really like that guy. He's like he's just obsessed with money. It's like he thinks like money is like the only thing that matters. I don't know, just the way he talks, like it really bothers me. Like he like bashes on people for like not having money. But yeah, really annoying. Anyways, EU. So let's just kind of look at some trades here. This was the trade from yesterday, Asia session, right? If you guys were tuned in, we didn't take this long, even though it did fill out, right? After I cut off the stream, I think I cut off the stream right around here. I actually did take a short after we started breaking back down because we swept those highs. This is what I was talking about, if you guys remember. That I wanted to sweep the highs. I wanted to actually sweep this one too, but that was perfectly satisfactory for us to be able to target the other side, right? Because we had this, we had these lows to be hunted, right? Mind you, it did break through, but that's not our concern. The other thing that did happen was we had a nested trade in here. So if you look at the 1 minute, we did have a nested trade actually here where we had all these highs being swept and then breaking back down. So we just entered on a retest up here. Just it pulled back a little bit. Right, all these highs, sweep it. Pulled back to retest this zone, right? Shorted there, stop above, and then you got two trades rocking. Mind you, I did fuck up and I exited the trade here, the first one. So we didn't actually pull like 3.5 hour there. We pulled like two and a bit. Caught this little Bad boy here. Oh, did you send a trade? EU is a buy, you suck. Ah, man, like, I mean, you can... I'm telling you right now that the bias is bearish, but you can buy if you want. I mean, I basically... it depends what your time frame is, right? It completely depends on your time frame here. Because I'm telling you that it's coming up, right? I expect a little bit of move to the upside, but we're more likely to be profitable to the downside here today. Right? What do you think about EU? I wait for the break. I wait for a break of the trend and pull back and buy. I don't know what you're asking there, dude. God, this little... Are you trying to send a trade, Kevish? Went 6R closed because of time. Here, bye. Why did I delete a video on the reaction? I just put it to private. I didn't delete it. It's because it has nothing to do with my channel. So I just posted a reaction, or a response rather, right? I posted a response. A few people... Stop spamming, dude. I posted a response. It has nothing to do with the content of my channel. So after people viewed it, I took it off, right? Simple as that. It's just some silly drama, man. So I'm not gonna keep it around here. And this would be really nice right here, actually, by the way, guys, to get a short off of this level. Because we can see those double tops forming. And we have these levels down here. But I would love to see, we're getting a little bit of bullish off of this order block, as you can see. It came into the order block, and then let's bust it up to the 1 minute. Came into the order block, retested, and swept back up and closed above. So that's probably going to give us enough momentum to come back up here, and then hopefully we get a sweep here. And then we can short it. Give me your thoughts on the GME saga. I don't buy things that have already pumped, right? Because I'm not an idiot, right? Like, just think about, like, you go to your grocery store, man, and you're looking at chips there one day, and chips are like what, 50 cents, right? A bag of chips like 50 cents, for example, whatever. And then you go in the next day and it's 60 cents, right? And you're like, oh, that's more money now. I don't want to buy that because it's more expensive, right? And then the third day you go in and it's like 80 cents. Fourth day you go in and it's $1.50, and it's going absolutely parabolic. And you're like, oh fuck, this is going to be worth a lot soon, right? I should buy this so that I could resell it. I mean, it doesn't make sense. It just keeps going up, right? It doesn't just keep going up, right? You don't buy it when it's high. You buy it when it's low. So you buy things when they go on sale, right? That's my opinion. That's some ding dong shit. Just so, like, look at this. Like, nobody wants to be buying Link right now. This one. Nobody wants to be buying Link, do they? But I'm telling you guys, for so long, start buying Link once we get below here, right? Nobody wants to be buying this shit. But it's in an uptrend, and then it got cheaper, so it's on a discount. This is just like the simplest shit in investing. But then you see all these FOMOers, right? Whatever you want to call them. That they see Dogecoin just go to the absolute top, right? And we've never seen Doge price higher than this, and they're like, okay, that means it's going to be going up again. No, it's going to shit on them. They're just going to get a big pile of poo here. They're going to lose all their money, because that's what happens. Full margin on chips. I mean, that was a super bad analogy. I couldn't come up with anything better, man. That's so dumb, that story. Jesus, dude. Oh, fuck. I don't know. Sometimes I have really good analogies that are really funny, but that one was just shit, and I'll be honest with it. That was a shitty analogy. Okay, fuck it, Ada. What do we want to look at here, guys? Chip buyers. Alright, Ada, just so you guys know, or created the tops here. I'm in Ada. I bought Ada. I'm selling at the breakout here. Just in case it's a false breakout. I'm selling some and then I'm letting it go up here. And I'll sell the rest up here around 2. I got just what do you think of ICT? Yeah, he's good, dude. I get asked that question every single day. He's good. Provide any value for you guys or lulls, hit the like button. And hit the subscribe button if you're new here. If you're old here, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Hit one button, please, and thank you. I'm literally a dancing clown in front of you. I'm trying to entertain you. And all you got to do to make me happy is click one little button. Boop. All right, so easy. And then the clown keeps dancing. Right? How much money? How much percent did I make this money? March? March ain't over. I'm up about 10R this week. I'm just looking at the calendar. 10R this week. Last week I think I made like 3R or something like that. Week before I think I lost 2R. So whatever that is. You know, so far I'm up 11R, something like that. This month. GJ Shorts treating you well. Are you trying to make people FOMO into GJ Shorts? You keep talking about it, dude. You're not gonna move the market. I think it's gonna come up a bit. I don't know exactly to where, but I would assume here before breaking down. It might hit this first though, actually. I don't know for sure. It'll maybe hit this and then go up and then down. One of the two. I don't know if it's got the momentum from this move here. Right. Maybe it did. I don't quite think so. I think it'll probably hit this low first. Let's look at EU because we're supposed to be trading right now. God, you guys fucking distract me, hey? We're supposed to be trading. Okay. Made 3,000% trading chips. Yeah, go to the store and invest in chips, because Hunter said that they're growing at a parabolic rate right now. So it's like going to the store. You know what the better analogy is? You know what? Oh God! You know what the better analogy is? Toilet paper. Toilet paper last year. Imagine grocery stores. As toilet paper started selling out, they started increasing the price, right? And you're like, oh fuck, I gotta invest in toilet paper so that I can resell it to all these people that want to be buying toilet paper. But the reality is, they just made more toilet paper and then lowered it. Because everything goes up and down. Oh, that's a better analogy. Screw you. Screw you. That one's at least better than chips. Just trade chips. Yeah, poker chips maybe, hey? SPX. SPX also Bitcoin. Let's look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily and weekly. Yeah, that's a good thing to look at here. We want the high time frame. We want the high time frame. So my opinion on this is bullish, right? Weekly. I wonder if we got monthly here. I don't think honestly, I don't think we're gonna get a major sell-off until about 80K. I think we're gonna get one more pump-ish, and then that'll be our sell-off, and we'll come back down to these areas, consolidate, right? Into like 40s, right? This is my opinion. This is my opinion, guys. I mean, it's not backed by a ton of merit, but I've seen crypto since 2013, so I know how it works. And this is just intuition because I've been doing this for 8 years, whatever. What is that right? 8 years? 8 years. So I know how it works. Maybe, only maybe. Everything is useless in the past, right? What does Benjamin Cohen say? All charts are useless, or all charts are wrong. Some are useful, something like that. So if we close the week here, we're perfectly good to make that move, right? To another level. I'm hoping that we hit the 80K in the next move, and then I'm going to sell off a bunch of it, and I'm going to rebuy when we consolidate back below 50. This is my opinion, right? We'll do this. We'll consolidate all summer, and then we'll go for another cycle, right? And then we'll be looking at like September, October area for like 150K area, right? That's my opinion. Should I just leave that there? Because I guarantee, dude, every time I draw a squiggle, it's fucking accurate. I just gotta like adjust it slightly. Just a little bit. So it says 80K here. Close enough. Close enough, hey? Boom. That's what we want. I'll sell off a little bit here, because look at this, it's actually starting to consolidate. So I think we get one more wick up and then down. Let's look at the daily here. Yeah, you can definitely see, you know, if you're a fan of like useless shapes, right? If you're a fan of just drawing shapes on the chart for no reason, then we could draw this shape right here. Does this shape mean anything to you guys? I don't know. To me, it looks like a useless shape, but it matches perfectly with my squiggle, so it seems to be proof. It seems like it can't possibly go tits up. Wall Street bets. Actually, that's quite funny, eh? It's just riding the bottom here. I imagine we get another one and we bounce up to just about 80, and then I'm starting to sell off. That looks good to me. I'm averaging down on Bitcoin every month. Can you also give me your impression on SPX, please? I don't trade the stock market, dude. I don't know how it functions. I really hope that this actually keeps coming up right now. I just want to get one more move. Because then I'm going to be sitting underwater in some trades, and I don't want to do that. Because I bought a bunch of spot alts right around. I bought a bunch of spot alts all in this area. So if we dump down, I don't want to be sitting underwater. It'd be annoying. Don't do it. Daily. Yeah, okay, cool. I've been trading chips for 25 years. Dude, that's the theme of today. If I provide any value to you guys, or just like if you like looking at triangles, then hit the like button. If you like looking at triangles. I saw what kind of triangle? Isosceles triangle? Is that right? Yeah, it is. It is, isn't it? Today on First Grade Education with Hunter, we look at triangles and how they're useless in trading. But you can draw them on the chart and look cool when they work out. Because look at this. That's a line. Look at this. It happened to line up 3 times-ish. Crazy. You know where it didn't happen to line up 3 times? Here. Look at that. So this is just an abnormality in the chart. That's all that is, by the way. This is why I hate them. Because people think that this matters. But literally I could show you a million places where it didn't line up. Right? So it's just like happened to line up 3 times. Because of why? Because it's retesting these zones. Right? And it's wicking below. Stop hunting. It's retesting shit. That's why. It's retesting orders. It has nothing to do with the shape. Rectangles too. Yeah, we can look at rectangles sometimes too. Let's I gotta jump back at EU. I gotta keep an eye on this, man. I'm not used to trading with you guys. You distract me because I like to laugh. I'm a big old giggle. Let's go 1 minute here. Ah! Wrong thing. Wrong button. There we go. That's the one I wanted. Yeah. So it's doing it so far. How do you ID your liquidity zones without volume profile? I look at highs and lows, dude. Just think about where people are going to put their stops. It's as simple as that. Just use deductive logic, right? If you entered anywhere in here, where's your stop? Right here, right? If you entered anywhere in here, where's your stop? Right here, right? So you have 2 points where there's obviously a bunch of stops behind it, right? If you entered anywhere up here too, you probably have your stop and profit as well, right? Bro, we got a 69 people here. Press the like button. What? Oh, did we get... Oh, 69 people. Yeah, hit the like button, you jerks. I fuck with squares. I don't know if you guys take better response to like kindness or anger. Should I be mean and just like try to force you to click the like button, or should I ask you politely? What do you think's better? Should I threaten you? Like I'll cut off the stream if you don't hit the like button. I'll turn this stream around. Yeah. I would leave Euro USD for a bit. It's shaking right now. Needs to stabilize. Well, I'm a master of the euro dollar, so I will trade it every single session of every single day if I can. This is where I get, you know, you could literally trade one pair if you wanted. Just get good at that one pair, and you will be good. It's in the statement. You'll be good. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You can make money. You only need one pair. I mean, just figure out how to trade that one pair. Find a setup that occurs often in that pair. That's funny as shit. Hey, appreciate it, dude. I try very hard to be funny. Yeah, Jack, let's look at this chart. Please don't bring all the ladies. Euro odd. Whoa, 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 whoa. MA, you're trying to read or you're trying to make me read that wreck aisle. Oh fuck. You guys got to keep doing that. You guys got to keep doing that. Like come up with these like prank phone call like words. You know what I'm talking about? Like you guys did yesterday. That shit's funny. I want to accidentally read some funny shit. That's hilarious. Yeah, if you see a hunt here, that'd be beautiful, buddy. A couple lows there for sure. The thing is, it matches up with what we're thinking on the Euro USD here too, right? So it's probably gonna work out if it does hit that, yeah. I'm assuming you're gonna wait until the sweep happens, right? So. Does a stop hunt strat work on almost Forex? Yeah, I mean, liquidity is the name of the game, man. If you hunt stops, and that's your goal of trading, like you're gonna be better than 90% of traders out there, right? Profitable traders. Like liquidity is how you make most of the money, right? Because that's the only way that banks can make money, and they're the 99% of the market, right? Yeah, especially anyone who's got into Forex trading. One pair, learn that pair, don't go anywhere else. Yeah, focus on one pair, guys, while you're still learning. Focus on one pair, and then add other ones, like, as you get better. You know, I'd be perfectly happy just trading one pair. Like, I like odd and euro, right? But I'd be perfectly happy, like, trading these pairs for, like, the next fucking 5 years. And then I'd maybe branch out into something else. Because literally, you don't need more money than that. You're going to make plenty with just, like, 1 or 2 pairs. Are there any mods in here? Gotta stop the spam. I mean, yeah, sometimes there's some mods. I don't know you well enough, Captain, there. Sometimes there's some mods, but I swallow. What do you usually do while waiting for setups? Finding yourself getting bored. Yeah, I mean, a lot of the time I'm like out doing shit, right? I'll be snowboarding usually, right? Asia session, I'm often snowboarding, and then I just trade from the phone. London session, I only trade, like, yeah. London session, I only trade like here, like the first 2 hours, and then I go to bed, and then I wake up for London close. So I only sleep like the 6 hours in between. Speaking of which, I should probably start like taking a nap throughout the day because 6 hours not enough. Is my okay? Good, it's on the right screen. What's the highest amount of pips I caught in my career? Like in one trade? I don't actually know. I don't track pips. So pips, I don't know, man. All I know is like 10 pip stop loss on EU is a lot. That's all I know. I can I do any snowboard tricks? Yeah. I just started snowboarding this year, but I got pretty good really fast. I did like a butter 180. Like where you put it, you go on one side of the board. Just the edge of the, how do I freaking like go on this one side of the board and then spin around 180? I did like that the other day. That was kind of cool. But I don't do like jumps and shit. I do like little jumps, but and then tree trails and stuff like that. But yeah. You gotta say, oh yeah, oh I remember what I used to say is for every time you hit the like button, you gain 1% win rate. You gotta hit 100 different videos you gotta like, and then you'll be perfect. What did I think about that trade? Did I see it? Did I look at this one? Oh yeah, I did. How do I calculate risk if I don't use pips? I use percentage. I mean, mind you, actually, what I use is I have bots that do it for me. So I basically click a button, right? Like so I'm using this shit, right? For my this is what's it called? Magic Keys. It's by Wix Don't Lie. I push a button and it enters for me. With the proper risk and everything like that. I risk like 1% a trade. And then for signals, I type in, we wrote a bot that just parses Discord messages. So I just type in like Euro USD buy at this point, stop here, right? And then it calculates a 1% risk trade, and then it enters it automatically. So that's a bot that I paid Turbs and Relief are two Discord users to make for me. So they are the creators of that. All it does is parse. It's pretty cool. It also like can adjust based off of fundamental analysis. Like if my fundamental analysis is bearish, then it will risk less on longs. Things like that. Yeah, so cool, so cool. You can just adjust the risk settings and everything. Great, it's great bot. Heard rumors that you trade gold during Asia? No. I bet it was. I remember when I first started trading, I would spend all looking at charts, and then I realized I didn't need to look at the market every day. I mean, I look at the markets, on the opens basically. Just not this one because I like to sleep in. 5 a.m. too early. Blech. How much are my signals? As low as, I mean, if you I think there's a coupon in the description. For you get 33% off. It's less than 100. It's like 98, something like that. If you want to see the results, you can see the results in here too. We do crypto and Forex now. The results are in the Discord there. Link in the description. And these are just weekly results, right? Like this week I stopped trading, so it's already up 0.7. I'm not gonna post any more signals this week. That's all I trade. That's all I posted in the signal group though. My personal trades, because like I was scalping. I think I hit about 10, right? Because I wasn't able to send all of these, right? Wasn't able to send all of them. And also I'm risking less in the signals right now. But anyways, enough about that. Enough about that. This is just going flat, isn't it? We've been talking for like 40 minutes and it's done nothing. Am I profitable yet, Hunter? Yeah, dude. I've been profitable for a year. Mind you, there's different consistencies, right? Like there was 2 months I lost money, right? But other than that, I make money. I mean, you can see my results there, dude, right? And I've been trading a new thing that's doing super well. So I'm really happy about it. Soon I'll start pushing it with more confidence. I'm just not confident enough to push it out to other people until I get really good at it. But it's going super well so far. Yeah. You ever swing trade on the higher time frames? Not at all. Am I on the right page here? Okay, good. Let's see your results. Yeah, dude, it's right here. You can see my results since September. I mean, those are results that are all from the signals, right? A couple weeks I take off and I take breaks, right? So I actually, the results vary in my personal account, but yeah. Like when I did poorly, my personal results were worse than the signal group, and when I'm doing better now, my personal results are much better, right? So I would just amplify that if you wanted to know my personal results, right? Because it affects me more. Right? So I did worse on my losing months on my personal trades, and I did better at least recently on my personal results when I do well. Did you get your trade yesterday on Euro USD? Yep. We talked about this one earlier. We took a double trade here. I re-entered, right? After I got this sweep, and then I re-entered off that one too. So I got 2 trades off in that trade. And then these were ideas that did fulfill, but I didn't take them because it was too late in the day. But these I wanted to take, but I just didn't take them. And this one I took right as I was going to bed. Good timing for that one. You paid 165 for Magic Keys. Yeah, I think so. I think it was like $200 or something like that for the Magic Keys thing, which is like, it's nothing. If you're making money trading, this I would pay $1,000 for this. I mean, not to promote them or anything, but I don't have any affiliate to this. But if you're a profitable trader, this is worth well over $1,000. If you're not a profitable trader, it's meaningless because you don't need speed, right? So once you're profitable, you need speed and you need to do it fucking fast, right? Because that completely changes. Like this one here, right? This trade here, it just dumped. I market entered on the 1 minute close here, right? Once it started dumping, where's it? I market entered on this close, right? It was actually like this, I think. But if I would waited like an extra 10 seconds to type shit in, right? I would have had, you know, half the profit. If it took me an extra minute, then I would have been way down here, right? So it's so crucial, so crucial. So literally, if you're a profitable trader, that 1 minute it takes you to type in shit, you know, this is for me 1 hour could be $1,000 in itself, right? Literally that little move for any profitable trader is probably $1,000. So this is, I would say this thing is fucking priceless, man. Do you use any indicators for entry or just SR price action? I don't use any indicators. I only use time-based indicators basically, and shit that makes it easier for me to see, right? So like session times, Monday's range, little red dots show me the wicks, right? So it's easier for me to see. That's all. Look at the fucking chart here. Right? I'm curious. Let's look at EA, right? Because Buddy wanted to get in on this, right? I forget who right here. He wanted to get in on that sweep. It's funny, eh? EA is going up. EU going down. This is boring, isn't it? That's so boring. Hey, what's up, Daniel? Good to have you. Providing value for you guys. More people rolling in here. Hit the like button. Or subscribe button if you're new here. I do this shit some days. I don't know. I try to do it every day, but if I'm not here, then I can't. I can't stream when I'm not home. Tits and Pips, guys. Just reminding you, Tits and Pips live stream in, what is it, like 6 hours, something like that? This isn't a joke, by the way. It's fucking annoying me now. How the fuck do I get my trading view lines straight every time they're squint? Oh, like this shit? Oh, you like that? Boom, 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 boom. Like hydraulics. Uh-oh. Dang it. I turned on sticky keys. No, I don't want to turn on sticky keys. Okay, cool. Just hold shift, dude. Let's see here. Stream Deck works well if you don't like magic keys. Yeah, what's Stream Deck? Is that another one? Stream Deck? Stream Deck. Oh, really? You can program that to yeah, I thought that's what this was. You can program this to MT4 or what? How do you do that? How the hell? Because the only thing is, like, Magic Keys runs off a battery. And I'm also really worried that my cats step on it, right? So I always turn it off afterwards. Because I don't want my cats to step on it and then make me lose, like, fucking my account. There's no way this syncs to MT4. You gotta be joking, eh? I love having no indicators, just price action, and stay away from news events. Yeah, totally, dude. Yeah. If you stay away from late New York, which is like right here, you're gonna miss the FOMC, which, you know, we never want to trade around that time anyways. And if you stay away from the New York Open, then you're gonna miss a lot of news events as well. So literally the way I trade is perfect for EU is London Open and the London close, and then Asia. You're never gonna see news events if you trade those sessions. How do you place the red dots on the wicks? It's just an indicator. Possible short on EA, seeing a long didn't sweep, coming to hourly tops. Let's take a peek. Dude, there's been like hundreds of you in here, and there's only 50 likes. Gosh, actually that's decent. That's a decent like rate, honestly. I think the average is like 10% or something like that. So, you know, That's pretty dang good actually. You guys are killing it. I think average YouTuber gets like 10% of their views likes. You're talking about this. Oops, you're talking about this, aren't you? Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's a decent point. You should watch for it. Possible short. Oh, I'm getting a little tired actually. All of a sudden now, Jesus, guys, this is boring. Literally no setup in either direction, just going flat. Just a flatline day today. Hey, was maybe Asia loves St. Patrick's Day, so like today is no, it's Friday in Asia, isn't it? Am I in any trades now? Nope. We're waiting. Hopefully we can get a short here. That's the only trade I'd be looking for. Look at AU. Curiosity. Clean old sweeps here. Nice, beautiful. AU's coming down. Yup. Bearish. It's bearish. Yup. Delete this one. Maybe. AU's coming down. Same sort of thing. See, there's no point in shorting this because you're also going to be shorting EU. This is what we'd be looking for. Bloop, bloop. All right. We also got lows right here as a possible long, but I prefer to take the short. Simple as that. Oh, Dan, let me read your thing here. Sorry. You might not remember me, but about a month ago, I asked for your help trading with small accounts like $200. Since then, I've doubled my portfolio. Thanks for everything, man. Hey, no problem, Dan. Glad I can help. Try to risk low. It sounds like you might be risking a little bit high if you've doubled your account in a few months. But great work, either way. I mean, that's a couple months to make money. That's good. When are you gonna give the institutional trading rundown, baby? Yeah, maybe that would make a decent video. I mean, what the fuck? Institutional trading is just such a buzzword, man. Now, I'm not about that shit, right? I'm not about like just these stupid like buzzwords and catching clout and shit so much. I just like to have fun here. But yeah, you know, that's how you got to do it if you want views. And you got to use these buzzwords. But yeah, teaching like what institutional trading is. It's pretty much just like I guess it would be like how the bank logic works. I could make a video on that. I actually know what I could do. I might do that. I might actually do that. Let me just write a note here. How institutional trading works. Banks trading. Yeah. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I'll make a video on that actually. That's actually a decent one. $100 trade index. No, I don't. If not, why? Because I'm profitable in Forex, so I'd rather focus on my strengths. I invest in crypto and I trade Forex. I'd rather focus on my strengths. Yeah, that would be a good video. Yeah, sweet, good. What's your bias on Bitcoin? Up. I mean, it's pretty obvious. Gonna go up. Stonks only go up. Can you stop crashing, please? Jesus, it's all red. It's like Shark Week. Alright, guys. What, should we still watch this? Should we still watch this for a bit or what? Stream beats. Stream beats is this guy's stuff, right? I believe. Copyright free. Yeah, sweet. That's what I want. Okay. Sweet. Get some some stream beats in there. Do you trade the NAS? No. People are posting IP grabbers in your server? What the fuck do you mean, dude? Sorry, yeah, I gotta see what this is. People posting IP grabbers? For what purpose? For what? What's the purpose of this IP grabber? Who gives a shit? I might count him as a joke. Right. So we're just chilling right now, guys. Stream's kind of dying down a little bit here. We start with a little bit more hype. Slow down a little bit here. I'm just kind of watching still. It's really annoying because it's literally done nothing. These are the annoying ones here, guys, because I gotta like fucking dance around like a clown and entertain you. Yeah. IP can lead to a location. Yeah, I know, man. But like, IPs don't do shit. Just knowing somebody's IP doesn't really matter. I mean, you could cause a little bit of damage, but it's not really. I mean, I have an IT background. I'm pretty sure there's not much you can do. I mean, well, somebody's got to be pretty fucking smart to be able to do something with just an IP. Yeah, they get your location, can shut off your net. Yeah, they can just DOS you, right? Who cares? Yeah, DDoS federal offense. Yeah, totally. I mean, it doesn't really matter that much. They can just fucking block you and fuck up your day, but it's not like it's gonna cause any damage. That's why I have two internets. Just in case, dude. I'm you know, when your whole fucking career is based around the internet and like being fast with internet, you really want to make sure your internet's good. That's why I have two. Your SWAT hoses with an IP. Yeah, I see it's stupid. Who cares, man? Can I look at gold? Yeah, we'll look at gold here. I'm getting kind of sleepy. I gotta turn on some lights. It's getting dark here. Once it starts getting dark, it makes me tired. I don't wanna keep streaming this if nothing's happening though. Look at gold. What is this level I drew out? It must be a weekly level. Bouncing off. Hunting highs. Yeah, this is coming down. I mean, that seems pretty obvious to me that it's coming down, eh? I don't know about you guys, but that's gonna continue down. It looks like it's got a little bit of momentum to be able to break back up here. Okay. So we'll see something like this. It's got some momentum going, and then we'll reject and come back down. Oh, a little wick there, right? The momentum will bring us back up here, and then it'll reject. Considering the higher time frame, we'll put a weekly maybe. See a wick closing, right? It's gonna close this pretty bearishly, most likely, and it's gonna come down. Same sort of thing. I've been telling you guys, gold's gonna be dumping all the way back down here. Right? Run a VPN easy. Yeah, there you go, dude. That's all. So you can do lots, including SE, ISP login, much more. Yeah, I mean, you got to be pretty smart to like be able to do some damage with the IP, I think. I mean, I'm not gonna go ahead and just like try to give my shit away, but it's not something I worry about. I mean, I have 2 internets and I have 15 gigs of data on my phone, so I can just tether. So I'm pretty much safe if something does happen. Do you ever consider doing a video about journaling? ASR? What is ASR? I don't know what ASR is. Major, he's gonna go. Right, this has to do something already. Come on, man. Shit. I'm gonna chill here for like another 10 minutes. If we don't start seeing something, like, cause it's turning to 5 right now, so the hour's closing. So hopefully there's some movement on the hourly close. If we're not seeing anything, then I'm just gonna turn this shit off. This is what I'm looking for, guys. Though I told you already, this is what I want to see. I'm just gonna chill here. Oh, by the way, guys, fucking, you know that Jeep I just bought? The frame is all fucking rusted from the inside. So I tried to bolt some new bolts in and it just fucked it. Do a review of past trades. You can post a chart, man. I'll take a peek. Post a chart with the X code here. The last X code in this right at the end there. That's what you gotta do. But that Jeep, man, I gotta salvage it. I sell it off for parts or something. I'm gonna buy a new Jeep. I think I'm just gonna finance one. I was looking at this. This looks pretty sweet. I was gonna get that one. I'm not gonna drop 30K just on the car for no reason, just to go camping, but so I'll just make payments on it. But I think I'm gonna sell off that other one for parts. Cause the frame's all fucked. What lot sizes do I use? I don't know, anywhere between 2 and 10 usually. When it gets over 10, it starts kind of freaking me out a little bit. I'm not used to trading huge volume. I had an idea. I wanted to yeah, I still got the Jag. I just want a second car. I mean, I have the Mazda too. I have a Mazda and a Jag and the Jeep, and now this will be my second Jeep. So I'll have 4 cars. But yeah, what the fuck? Oh, I was saying, once the crypto boom is done, I'm gonna have a lot of money that I gotta pull out of crypto. So I was thinking, like, right now I'm trading with like a small account, in my opinion, right? It's probably a large account for a lot of you guys, but for my opinion, it's small. So what I was thinking is, once I pull out that money, I want to I want to post like live streams of like big trades. So look at these lows here, right? So we might actually get a long right here. We could actually get a long here. A couple minutes for the 5-minute close. How much should I start trading with? Like $1,000, man, but you just keep adding money to it, right? Last question, might as well keep you talking. Yeah, like $1,000. Do I like trucks? No, not at all. I like Jeeps better. But I wanted to something to just camp with. Right? Jeep's great for off-road because it's got a lot of suspension and everything. Right? Compact. Fits well in the city. Trucks don't fit super well in parking spots here, right? Because you gotta basically be a small car. See, look, it's coming back up. Might be wise to get along here. I mean, I wonder. Let's just see out of curiosity what this would be, right? Out of curiosity, I don't want to take the trade, by the way. I'm not going to be taking this trade, but it's just out of curiosity. It's a 2.5 hour trade. And the 5 minutes about to close. It's going to close back within. Right? Going to close back within. Is FTMO worth it? Of course. Hunter, do you think I should do the FTMO challenge? I mean, if you're a profitable trader that can trade intraday and you're consistent, right? Like you get maybe 10 trades a week, right? That's the thing is, okay, so here, you know what? Probably come back down here, retest that, and then blast off. Probably just going to do one of these, right? I'm not taking this trade, by the way. I don't like it. But mind you, it is a decent setup here. I just don't like this trade. Who needs a car when you can run? How can you tell if price is a sweep? I mean, it goes past the level and then it comes back with momentum, right? You can often use single candle sweeps, right? 5 minute close here. There, that would have been the entry, right? Right there, that would have been the entry. I'm not taking this trade, just so you guys are clear. This is too high risk for me. But the theory is here, right? Would you not wait for the break of 1 minute structure? Yeah, I mean you're seeing a strong move from the top here down to the bottom, right? So just because it's closed back within, right? I don't want to get into this. But the reason I'm saying it's coming up here is because we have liquidity above here, right? So we still need to target this. So this is a good trade. It's just, it's not something I'm adapt with, right? It's not what I want to trade, but I'm pretty sure it's going to come up here. You would have entered right here on this order block, right? Right on this level here. I'll put it right there. All right. Your stop would have been right here. Actually, that's a 3 hour trade, isn't it? That's actually pretty dang good. But it's not the trade I want to take. So I wanted to take a short off of this. And this isn't good enough for me. I want like a really good long setup if I'm willing to take a long, right? If you have no capital, yeah, FTMO is worth it. Yeah, exactly. Mind you, like I don't care to do FTMO because it doesn't, I mean I might do it later. Once I get more consistent with my trading a little bit better. I'm not super confident in my intraday. For it to follow their rules and to not break their rules, right? But I have money to trade with, so I don't need to follow theirs. It just adds more stress to me. All right, so there's the rally. All right, guys, legit, like you guys know how there's like these videos, like fucking exposing videos and shit. You guys gotta be fucking real here, right? You guys see me do this shit like every day, and I tell you exactly what's gonna happen, and then it happens, right? You can't you can't be fucking you can't be exposed when you're fucking right all the time, right? I mean, mind you, just because I'm right all the time doesn't mean that I make money all the time, right? Just so funny, right? So if you wanted to take half off here, you could have, right on this, right? At like, yeah, 1.5 are there, right around there. You could have. But I'm not taking this trade, just so you guys know. Just so I can fucking reiterate, I'm not taking this trade. Because I don't know the probability of this, right? And I only take trades that I know the probability of. Because if you're trading like off of feeling, right, then you're just gambling. And this was a feeling trade for me. Just because I have the right intuition like most of the time doesn't mean that there's statistical backing behind my reasoning, right? What do I think of Staffy? Is it worth keeping? I don't know what that is, dude. Spread represent half, 1/3 of this trade. Don't know what you're talking about, dude. I have 0 spread. So you got a shit broker. My spread is always 0 on EU. And I pay $5 per lot. Alright. So you should get a better broker because I pay $5 a lot and I have 0 spread. And that's not any perk for having like a big amount of money or anything like that. That's just fucking Blueberry. That's just Blueberry Markets, man. If you guys want to join the broker, you can. It's in the description, but that's just my broker, man. If you're trading with spread, then you should be swing trading. Spread trading is the dumbest shit you can do because then you're entering like ridiculously far away from shit. Like you got like 1 pip spread, so ridiculous. You should be trading with commission. Check Euro odd. Yeah, let's check it out. No, I mean there's no reason to get short here. There's no reason. It's still uptrending, right? Right. Come on, come on, come on. So what we're hoping here is that we get a nice clean short. Now that's actually kind of doing something, hey? Would you wait, would you consider switching long-term plays like a few hours? No. No, I trade best on short term because I'm very impatient and I'm very emotional, right? So I can't sit around and like watch a trade for hours. I can't have a trade open for longer than an hour or I'm gonna start going absolutely insane. I'm so fucking emotional. You guys can tell that just by like my personality, right? I'm so like high energy and high emotion all the time, right? That I can't sit there like a robot. I gotta be in and out. Right, so what makes sense here would be to actually have the stop at break even and to have taken profit here-ish, right? But because this has gone deep, right? It's gone deep, so you're risking too much by not moving your stop here. So if you were in this trade, like it's you either made money or you're going to be break even, right? I mean, this is the inefficiency right here, so it should bounce off of this level right here, if anything. So the stop would actually go right here anyways. The most logical stop would actually be right here. Just slightly behind the break even. Yeah, and that would have been stopped. There you go. And we didn't take the trade. Sweet, good. But we still don't have any short setup, eh? Don't have any short setup. So this is why we don't take longs, right? When the trend when the bias is down. We don't take longs, it's too risky. But because we did, if we did take the long, you would have taken profit quickly, right? Because you're against the bias. You're against the trend bias. So, you know, you would have been smart to take off half here and then move your stop at 1.5. Right? Right at that, probably. That's just my opinion. What do you think of RSI? Probably the best indicator that's for beginners. But only if you're using divergences. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up here. 5:15. That's long enough. I don't want to stream longer than that. I will be back because I got to stream for another 2 or 3 hours tonight with Tits and Pips. Guys, if you like the content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button or hit the like button if you have already hit the subscribe button. I agree, my broker is shit. Ha, funny. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you tuning in here, and I'll see you guys in a few hours. Please make sure you tune in to Tits and Pips. That's going to be absolutely fantastic. See you guys soon. Thank you so much. That's the end of my trading aside from Tits and Pips for this week, guys. And I'm not going to be trading because I'm going to be drinking. Yeah, it's the weekend now, guys. I'm personally going to watch the charts here for another 45 minutes-ish. If I can get a short. We already talked about it. Hopefully catch Tits and Pips. Yeah, if you guys don't catch it, I'm going to leave the live stream on there. And we're actually going to make a video around it too. A video that's going to be nice, compact. Like an 8-10 minute video, something like that. So you guys can catch the recaps as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.